Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Android phone randomly vibrates. So let's start. You have to check first if you have the silent mode on your iPhone. As you can see here, I have the silent mode, and right now, well, if I select it, we have the vibration here. But if you want to, our iPhone don't have a vibration, let's go to settings, and here on settings just scroll down and let's go to the part that says sound and vibration. So just click here, and now that you can see here, we have the silent mode activated. So we can go to this part, and also we can move here the media if we want to silent, and the ringtone, in this case ringtone is silent. As you can see, the alarm, notifications, you can start moving here and select it if you want to change something from your device. So that is how it works. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.